Shrimp cakes are a super popular appetizer in Thailand. And the ones I'm making are hot and spicy. Can't have shrimp cakes without shrimp. Just an egg yolk to bind it all together. Shrimp cakes are so much fun to eat. They're one of those things I eat when I'm with friends at a restaurant having a good time and they're just munchy. You can go on them forever. This is the curry paste that I made for the jungle curry. That's where all the heat and flavor is gonna come from. Kaffir lime leaves, my favorite herb. Citrusy freshness to brighten everything up. And of course, fish sauce. Some salty punch. And just a little bit of galangal. Grind it up. Look at that color change. They look good already. Needs a little crunch. I've got long beans. These are like the nuttier, denser cousin of green beans. These are gonna make it super fun to eat. All right, time to make shrimp cakes. I've got some panko or Japanese breadcrumbs, and they're gonna give a nice golden crust when I go to fry them. These, super handy. Get them thoroughly coated. Look how cute. You just gotta pat it down. And I got shrimp cake. I've got 350-degree oil. These are just gonna take a few minutes. Watch them dance. And whenever you deep fry, never overcrowd, because the oil temperature is gonna drop really fast and your stuff's gonna get soggy. These need to be eaten right now. Some sweet chili dipping sauce. Salty, spicy. With the crunchiness of the long beans, balanced by the sweet and sour. This is what Thai food's all about. The shrimp cakes have this unique smell that whenever I smell them, it reminds me of a beer. Because you know what? When I'm in Thailand, whenever I eat shrimp cakes, always with my friends, having a good time. That is refreshing. These shrimp cakes need a cool, refreshing salad to go with them. And in Thailand, almost no meal is served without a salad, because they'll act kind of like a palate cleanser between every bite. I'm making cucumber salad. And the dressing is super simple. A little garlic and some chilies. And there is no such thing as a Thai salad without chilies. Classic dressing combination. lime juice, always fresh, some saltiness, fish sauce. Every Thai salad has fish sauce in it. Balance out all the salt and the acid, some sugar, and that's it. I know it's a salad without even looking at it. The smell of the lime, the fish sauce, so unique. This is the perfect summer salad. Some crunchy, cool cucumber, but I've got some sliced shallots, which will be, a pungent kick. Mint, cucumber and mint, right? It's like mojito in a bowl. And cilantro. You got the shrimp cakes, hot, crunchy, spicy, salty. You got the salad, cool, refreshing. Together with the shrimp cake, I could be on the beach in Thailand right now.